Hello, this is Slingshot Warrior, and I've been to the gym today. Yeah, I was a little exhausted when I came back too. But I'm determined to lose weight again after this lockdown crap. Uh, the gym has changed a little bit, but it's nice to know that that it's back up and running, and I can still use it, which is good because I need to tone up. I mean to tone down a little bit, to tone down and get back to the weight loss that I was doing. I was on a good track until this whole crap started. In the meantime, I decided to review this knife I bought down up in South Carolina. Um, this is the as you can see, it's the Smith and Wesson uh, Special Tactical. It's a nice little tanto with a drop point. I'll say that, to say at least. It's a good outdoor knife, a good outdoor folding blade. It's got a liner lock, which is something I don't like. But it's got a nice pocket clip, which I do like. I do like the camo hard plastic handle scales. They're really nice, as you can see. Very sharp right out of the box. I could literally cut paper with this. You can do a lot of your feather sticking with one of these. This is a very good small game hunting knife as well. If you want to carve up an animal after you kill it and eat it. Only eat what you kill. You eat what you kill. No trophies and bullcrap. I don't believe in that. But that being said, this is an overall good folding knife. I wouldn't recommend it as a long-term folding knife because it does have some drawbacks. The liner lock is a major drawback so they don't last very long. Liner locks, they don't. Now you might want to get a frame lock or a lock back, but I wouldn't recommend liner locks, as you can see. Well, that's my review. Bye.